the promise and they are not doing. They take your picture and put it up and say that they will come for you and they will beat you. You beat who? My house is an airport residential area. I have another one at Chado. Let me know which of them you want to come to so that I give you the address. Precisely so. Now,
Charlie, welcome to the political rant with me, the voice right on Ghana asɛm TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Let's start this political video by saying that I, Akosua Rockson, I do not belong to any political party, but I do political activism on this app. And there's some trend going on that the executive or the MPP needs to hold people accountable, because if not for that, people are going to be afraid to talk about what is happening in this country. Now, there are some new NDC children that have some few followers that think they made it in life. So therefore, when you talk bad about their governments or whatever implementation they promise and they are not doing, they take your picture and put it up and say that they will come for you and they will beat you. You beat who? My house is an airport residential area. I have another one at Chado. Let me know which of them you want to come to so that I give you the address. Precisely so. Now, let me educate you people. Your board of directors of insult. The NDC had a board of directors of insult. Samuel Kujeto Ablakwa, Sam George, Sami Jemfi, Ofosu Kwachi, Basintale, and even the president now. You guys were them. And your amatella in the kitchen. Yes, that is the head of administration. Then the board of directors were the people I have mentioned. Even the president was part of people that insulted people in opposition. And nobody went for them. In Kenya, na mumaka se moye your friend will bloggers or whatever you are calling a kita passport. Your friend will US bloggers. You don't have a passport, you don't have a visa, but you are called US blogger. Utina Wale Johnson. Then you think that you can take people's picture and put it and threaten them because they are speaking against your party. If your party has done what they promised, I'm not sure anybody will hold them and speak against them. And let me tell you something. This country, Ghana, is a democratic country. You are allowed to criticize a government. That is how come your people, when they were in opposition, you were able to back and call people incompetent, and now they are empowered and they cannot do anything. And we are holding them accountable for whatever promise they made. Sam George, Okujeto Ablakwa, Sami Jemfi. That Sami Jemfi can sit on UTV and tell the whole Ghana that Dr. Baumia is the owner of Halftel. Then you come to power and come and tell her that you shouldn't politicize things because you know you lie in opposition. You lie your way through power. You lied. The president promised 24-hour economy. Instead of you to hold your leaders accountable for promising us a better Ghana. You people were against the e-levy. The e-levy, when you pay 1,000, they take 10 cedi. You, your gulliby, and your foolish followers, NDC followers, you were against it. Me, myself, I was against the e-levy. Yes. Then you come now and bring a devil levy. And when people speak about it, you put their picture up that you are going to go for them. Go for who? Who came for you? Who came for your foolish face? Who born dog? Now all of a sudden you guys know that you don't insult people. If anybody insults somebody, when the people they insult, Sam George insulted the sitting president of this country and nobody went for him. Get the fuck off. You these foolish TikTokers with an account say, one man say you have made it in life. What have you made in life? Let us hear. This is a democratic country. Criticism is allowed. So far as you don't defame anybody's character. But in your case, Sam George has defamed characters. Okujeto has defamed characters. Basintale has defamed characters. Sami Jemfi didn't. Nobody went for them. So let us breathe on this app. You are not above the law. There's a rule and there's a law that governs this country. That is how come when you're in position, you could shout. And now you are here, you cannot take criticism. All of a sudden, you are crying 5 months in office. You are not even done 4 years. You don't want people to talk. You want to hold their mouth. Who the fuck do you think you are? You come for who? They didn't tell you. Go and do your background check. I said I live at airport. If you want to know where I live, I'll give you my address. Come and meet me. And anybody that makes a video and talk about the D-levy and somebody says it's coming for you, tell them your address and call the rest of us to come and stand with you. You are not the only one doing this job. We are with you in this. So don't be afraid. Oh, but damn, bloody fool. Let's sound one of you. This NDC talkative or activist or whatever fucking you call yourself that you don't have brain. You cannot read. You don't know how to calculate math and do percentage. Put somebody's picture that you are going to be the person. And let's see how the law works in this country. Or why you think your party will not leave power? Now, God Rollins has done it 25 years when people left. And then what do you think it will happen? That you guys will not leave power ever? You are lying. Power will change hand. And we don't want to repeat this cycle. That's how come we are trying to do criticism with common sense. And I'm on nippy. Look at them. Looking like frog that they are going for conversion. You will come and beat who? Who can you beat? Who have you beat? That they've given people data and you are going about trying to defend the defenseless. Some of the defense thing you don't need to defend. This D-Levy you don't need to defend. Be a human being and a Ghanaian. Leave your party aside and let us talk. You are mad. They don't raise you well. Let somebody put my picture there. Let us see how this thing will go on this app. Put anybody that is speaking against your party not doing whatever they promise. Put their picture there. Let us see how this thing go. Who is afraid of you people on this app? You see, we are demure from a home that they don't want us to be shouting. So you
bloggers in a meeting and a John Dinapo meeting now more yeno. Munkai wants a meeting here dead on a Rava Monday. Make a time playing meeting now. There is ongoing meetings here. Our Jubilee House. Ferris for so quate and John Dinapo, social media for no bloggers, you know, because every month you tell Moka 4,000 Ghana. Teacher need ye, what's on fun home.
Charlie, welcome to the political rant with me, the voice writing on Ghana and SMTV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Wada, Patro Buana ebe kwasorono, ombe kachire Ghana for say. Enye yao, yede nanka yentum, because yedi kanka say yede yentum, namum Israel, any Iran for ntokwa, mudi kama Ghana for tiasia 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021 say Russia any Ukraine tokwa de ema yewura ba omian fan kansem ema na nado danko Akosua on kana nuntum ema na pomfa ninkomo ba bia na Russia wa chiri Russia muna mukan yo mo se Russia ni Ukraine de ema Ghana eye do mo ntokwa obi anwu wo Ghana mo se ntokwa no wonsunsanso enti nyame ya adoma doada yempese sabe NDC ni bi ebe dane no hunipa aponche akwa TV station akase eye Israel eni Iran tokwa Israel Ghana dabi yempese bete sa asem no asem amoka no 2024 2023 2022 2021 say Russia ni Ukraine dey wa kire enti mo bia amfa nye emfa fuel prices no enye analysis no forgetting say any fuel prices bia no say who you so the indexation crosses so no dia you look at the international market prices fuel prices around the immediate regions, you know. Now they determine what price. Now we are what the exchange rate here aka ho and now me no kasa die exchange rate no what a doda what to fa exchange rate me ka say wo krom ha munni energy what the kan so aka kire Ghana for say D-Levy no say etua what the kan ama ya tie ase say D-Levy na amodi aba no mo be make sure say various forms no nyina no ubeto patro ewo puma ni ejina na ejina ubeto patro ewo goya ni ejina na ejina ubeto patro ewo total ni ejina na ejina ubeto patro wo share ni ejina na ejina. That is exactly what you people told us. Yem pass em fufro yem penchire mu fufro mo maintain the 2024 position 2023 position 2022 position say Russia were far away and they have in quantum wa anti-centokwasia Russia Ukraine mo bia meka ho asem sana mo ka kire MPP for enti mo nso mo maintain the same position say doada mo meka kire say there is a surge in the fuel prices at the international market, and that has called for the price increase. Kayere mu be wu kroma, ye be kire mu say ye nkwasiafo temo.
Wrongdoing. Because using
Samu baba ka kire ye say fuel surge na aba no because of Russia, Israel, Iran dia. Yana mu be kwa no basa nsem fun bia se ka kire mu doada no ye be ka kire mu ena nyam nko aso na book mu to ayia mo kwatuansia ya amantena class antua de ne yia mo kwa de so obi na ye nose mamo de kwatena se kwakeka energy nsam ya mimi ye nose mimi ya tutorials from energy lecturer mimi we school ma we me ya be kwa no basa say numere mu ye meeting awu kwana communicators no ye benya bloggers yama almost 78 million Ghana cedis added to social media. 78 million Ghana cedis bloggers, you know. Bosumi be near the amount 4,000 Ghana cedis. Teacher need your muntianica. A teacher for ya for more. A teacher for ya for more Juma.
That is why there are courts.
8 months in your muntia moka. But when you see every month at the map bloggers binum selected bloggers over 1,000 of them but some may be a matam 4,000 Ghana at the amanu teacher near katia 2,000 pe muntia Edwada move various social media platform na bloggers na ya select to omono womo ba be kan wo social media Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram.